Hey fashionistas! Today I'm diving into 5 must-have skirts that every fashionista needs in their closet. Let's get started. First up, the ball gown skirt. This one's all about that dramatic volume. Think layers upon layers of tulle or organza. You've probably seen it in bridal or couture fashion, making you feel like a total princess. So elegant, so dreamy. Next, the tiered maxi skirt. Long, flowing, and oh so boho chic. This skirt often features gorgeous prints or intricate embroidery. It's perfect for those casual days when you still want to make a statement. Imagine this at a summer festival, paired with a cute crop top. Perfection! Third on the list, the A-line skirt with bold prints. This skirt flares wide from the waist, creating a flattering silhouette. Think big floral, abstract, or even tribal designs. It's versatile enough for both casual outings and semi-formal events. Just throw on a basic tee or a chic blouse and you're good to go. Coming in hot, the pleated skirt with metallic or statement fabric. This one's all about structure and shine. The pleats give it a full, sophisticated look, while the metallic or printed fabric makes it pop. Perfect for catching everyone's eye at a party or a night out. Finally, the circle skirt with border embroidery. This skirt is a full circle cut, making it swirl beautifully with every step. The bold border prints or embroidery give it a big design look. It's a showstopper, ideal for making a grand entrance. And there you have it. 5 must-have skirts for every fashionista. Which one's your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fashion tips. Stay stylish!